Good morning. It is very early. I thought I would take you along today as I attempt to be productive. I was due almost a week ago. Tomorrow will be 1 week past my due date. To be honest, this last week I have been kind of lazy and bored. I went in and called my mom to tell her that I'm bored, and I knew what she was gonna say. Only boring people get bored. So this is my attempt to not be boring. So I actually ate already this morning, earlier, and then went back to bed, and then got up again because I couldn't fall asleep and I was really hungry. So I ran to the kitchen. So now I'm gonna clean up from breakfast. Just getting light outside. What time is it? It's a little bit after 7. I might go for a walk this morning. We'll see how I'm feeling. Usually if I get moving, I feel very motivated. If I don't get moving early, then I'm like, what's the point? Which is a really bad habit that I'm trying to get out of. I think it was Callie from But First Coffee. She was saying that you should strive to be able to be like, well, the past is the past. I'm gonna restart right now, and just like training your brain to just be able to reset. Starting fresh right now, top of the hour, I'm going to attempt to do that because I can already tell I'm like, I don't want to do anything. But then there's also other things that I need to do. And I'm looking around my house and there are a lot of things I need to do. So these piles of boxes have been needing to get crushed for such a long time. Alright, I'm going to set up my shot for the video I filmed and then I lost the second half of it. I'm going to set that up and then record it. So, yay. Got done filming. That felt really good. I actually got some bins a while back, and I might just go out to the garage and see if I can't help that garage. I don't know about you, but organizing just is my happiest place. So let's go do that. I thought I had way more clothes for baby than this. I mean, some of it is already in there, but that's only 0 to 3 months. So let's go see if we can't find the missing clothes. Maybe that is all that we have. Alrighty then. I think what I'm gonna do with this bin is I'm gonna put off-season stuff. I have a lot of fall decorations that needs to have a spot right now. They're kind of in the spare room closet. It would be nice to get those out. And then I also have those pillows for outside, but since it's winter, they don't need to be outside. So I'm gonna go in and get the fall stuff. All right, it fits in there. Yay, and I think the 2 pillows hopefully will fit as well. Uh-oh, it might be a tight squeeze, but I think we'll make it work. Let's try the lid. Ta-da! I think I'm pretty much done out here. I just have to tidy up a little bit more. I might try to hang this thing up on the wall so that we don't have to, maybe up there, or I might put a nail in over there on that wall just to get stuff out of this area. There we go. Woohoo! So this is how we're looking right now. Looking pretty good. I'm gonna continue to clean up and tidy up. I think we're getting there. We're almost there. When you're organizing a space, you want to label the bins that you have. Baby clothes. All right, so here I am in my lovely studio / craft room now. Let's get started getting this ready. Ready for what? Ready for sewing and get all this stuff put away. I just came across some Christmas decor stuff that I ended up not using, but I want to use. So I'm gonna just kind of piece something together and throw it in here. So I have like this candle hack that I'd like to share with you. Now, I absolutely love real candles, but they can be really expensive. This is like literally my favorite scent, and it is spun pumpkin sugar. It is heavenly. Technically, we're not supposed to be lighting candles in our apartment, so what I do instead is I have a candle warmer and I have wax. I will often put like actual candles on my candle warmer, but it takes a long time for like all of this to melt in order for you to get a scent. If you get cubes, right? Okay, hear me out. Cubes, you put them in a little jar, so much cheaper, okay? A candle like this size, the store can cost anywhere from like $5 to $20. It's crazy. Package of these, $2. I put 2 cubes in this one probably 3 weeks ago. All right, back to organizing. Well, that took a lot longer than I wanted it to take. I got it done! I got it done. I feel very accomplished today. Now, this is stuff that I have to still deal with. Here, why don't we go look at the room. My sewing table is nice and cleared off. It's beautiful. There's like hardly anything in this closet, which is awesome. I should undo this. Holy buckets of cheese. Hold on. This curtain really likes to fall down on top of me. The floor I can actually see, so that's fabulous. Now I am going to go eat something. Well, good morning. I just got up. I got up like an hour ago. It's almost 10. I'm about heading out for a walk with a friend, and I was hoping to get more done this morning, but that didn't happen because my body decided to sleep until 9. Well, decided not to sleep from 3 to like 6:30, but 6:30 to 9. So, I'll take what I can get. Gonna head out, and then when I come back, hopefully I'll be able to do some stuff around the house. So, I'm gonna grab my bag, and let's go. So last night, my husband and I went and we watched Enchanto, I think that's what it's called. Enchanto. And oh my goodness, it was amazing! My husband was like, "Yeah, let's go, it sounds so fun, it's a musical." I was like, sure! It was great. Highly recommend. I'm not going to say any more so I don't spoil it for you. They're all set up for Christmas lights. Well, it turns out that I did not get as much done today as I would have liked because I'm pretty sure my water broke. So we are on our way to the hospital to get checked out. So I'm going to end this video here, and I hope this helped you get up and moving, and I know that it definitely helped me. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!